Creeper Gamer Boss, and we're going to set up some fireworks. And also, we're going to burn the grass, so it's going to burn up my feet. So that's great. Yeah. Look at that face. Look at that face. Look at her face.
Your face!
So that's Ava, the new special guest, and that's my YouTube partner right there, Olivia. Okay, I'm freaking out.
Now, by the way, if you didn't know, me and her are sisters. Ow.
Ow. Sisters. Okay.
You!
I said nothing! I just said we're gonna set up fireworks, okay? Setting up fireworks. Setting up fireworks, okay? And there's a ball. Blue ball. Blue ball. There's a blue ball. Literally a blue ball. Don't put that on YouTube, please.
Okay.
Please don't say bad stuff in my videos.
Why can't we say?
Are you still recording?
Yes. I said we're setting up fireworks, okay? I'll be right back when I'm actually sitting somewhere. And we're back. Now as you can see the fireworks. No, actually, I'm just gonna move back so you guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. And there's my friend Joe. Well, our friend Joe. He lives right next door to us. And we're filming now, I think. Fireworks. Yay, can't wait for fireworks. Yeah, I will come back when the fireworks are done start. Okay, they're not starting the fireworks yet, but yeah.
I'm gonna go over there.
Okay, you can go over there. And my little sister love what she eat. Okay. So we're back.
Where do you like the fireworks at?
So this is where we're gonna light the fireworks, right here, right here.
Come here, I have to think about it.
They can see your arm. Why is it like different from the last time that we did it? What? Like, we just put a wood plank.
Well, I'm trying to make it level so that when the fireworks go off, they go off straight.
Okay. So they don't hit the grass.
Well, it can hit the grass.
Hopefully it does not go on fire.
It's not gonna burn.
These two over here. Libby's really gonna make it fresh.
Oh, okay, you guys are already settled. You guys are settled. You guys are just chill. I'll be right back, guys. Guys, I just missed it. The fireworks have started. I've missed it. No. I'll be right. No, you guys do this. Look at that. I'll be right. Okay, we're back.
I only know CPR, Joe.
Yeah, we need CPR. Okay, no.
I don't know fire.
Hey, if I go down, let me go.
Ooh, that was awesome.
I only got a couple of them.
Libby loves fireworks. Why I missed it last year.
You open up
Oh, God! That made me jump! Let me out! Stop. I hope it's done.
Joe, wait!
Wait, that Joe's trying to go. Lauren,
Go for it!
hurry up. But it won't be on me this time.
Is it done? No, I mean, is that done? Is that one firework done?
No, you not. Oh, no, you not.
These are all mine.
Dang it! What the freak? Yes! Stop jumping now. Ow!
I love that smell too. I know.
Don't try to steal my Cheez-Its. I'm Cheetos.
Yeah.
They're trying to steal them.
Yeah.
Why are you guys trying to steal these from me?
We got them. Oh.
Mine.
Okay.
What's it like?
What are you doing over there with your big old butt? He's lighting the fireworks.
It's a he. It's a he, not a she.
Stop the video.
Quick, dude.
Start the video.
Right.
Okay. Hurry.
Oh, God. Oh, there it is.
Oh no! It's still on fire!
Oh, God, it's on fire, it's on fire.
Oh my god!
How is the grass not on fire? You kind of burned the grass.
It's black.
Yeah, don't touch it. That's hot.
That could still be on fire, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Be careful.
Yeah,
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
touch that.
I know, but like,
I know.
it was like black grass. It smells over here. It smells.
Get away from it.
It smells.
Hey, Zach.
Yeah, I'm just filming it from here.
Hey, go back.
I don't know. I'm just looking at it. I'm just looking at it.
Remy's going crazy. Do you hear him?
No.
The police will be at the door at any moment.
Yep.
Yeah.
Thanks, Joe.
It's Lucy.
Popo coming.
Ooh, these actually feels nice now. It feels nice now because I have no beads.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Oh my God, I need to get
Hurry.
down. Nah.
Right, your eyebrows are gonna be gone, man.
There we go.
No, there is a couple at the Remy's brush.
Yeah! Yeah! Oh, it's got the belly. It's got the blow. What?
Ah.
It didn't even pop. Oh, we were supposed to put them in there. Stand up.
Oh, see you.
Stand up.
There's one in blue. Grand finale. Grand finale. Oh, here's one. She found one.
Yeah, we'll see.
Come here. Here, film that one. This is the big one. It's the big one. Here's it. This is the big one. Shit. Cover on it. All right. One.
These things, there you go. There's fireworks. We did kind of miss it.
Yep, there we go.
Don't yell.
Why are you guys scared of fireworks?
It's just the blue.
It's not scary. I love it. Dude, this still looks awesome.
Yeah,
You like it? It's awesome.
Stop.
The Green Bay Packers. Oh no! Awesome!
Thank goodness.
Okay.
I can see it. No, it isn't.
So I'm gonna end the video there. Wait, do I have more? Do I have more?
Alright, guys.
Are we gonna do more?
Wait, we gotta go. You're leaving? We gotta go. Alright. Oh, you'll see him next week. Yeah. Pool party. Pool party.
That's it. Oh, what's
Not a
our dad today?
Oh, I thought it was your dad too. Because you guys are sisters.
Oh.
I'm gonna end the video there. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you later. That was a pretty good ball work.
Guys, I can't even end the video.
Why?
Not knowing.
That's your new baby, Joe.
Have it.